Maserati Levante SQ4. Fairly impressed with this vehicle. I've been driving it for about a week, and I'm gonna say I'm really, I don't know how many reallys I could say. I really enjoyed it. It took me by surprise. Again, this is the 2020 Maserati Levante, the SQ4. As you can see, is in white, which is a pure color. Oh yeah, I forgot, I didn't know if you saw it, but it's an SUV, and it does have a 6-cylinder twin turbo engine that is from the I think the top part of the engine is from the Ferrari California. So again, I'm very excited. I've been driving it for about a week, and I am enjoying it. So I hope you're enjoying it as well. Thanks for the follows. Give it a like if you like the video. Comment please, so we can let the algorithm do his part and show more people the love and the passion that we have for cars. This is 2020 Maserati Levante. Let's enjoy it. modes in there. Impressive. We just got in on the 2020 Maserati Levante SQ4. It is a fun vehicle, I must say. I'm really enjoying the drive, but I have to show you the key. This is billet aluminum with all those, and it also has the trident in the back. All right, now we're going to drive. Ooh, yeah. Somebody got balls. That was probably like to 60. It has sensors, of course. Probably saw them, all of them, when I was doing the montage on the vehicle. It's compared to, you can compare this to like a Porsche Cayenne, I would say. Has that feeling. I guess I need to drive a Cayenne also as well. I'm gonna place it on paddle shifting. And again, of course, safety first. We're in Mexico right now. He's on sports mode. You saw it. Paddle shifting. Adjust your seat. The whole shebang, right? If you fall again, you fall again. I can't do anything about it. That's fourth gear. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Much fun. Really, really, really enjoying it. I'm not even in 5th gear. That's barely getting into 4. And I'm not pushing it as much as I should have. Just such an amazing sound. Paddle shifting does make a difference. Well, it does make a difference in any car, but because of the car that we're driving right now. Second gear, 5,000 RPM. Oh yeah. So hopefully you can hear that. That was barely what? A mile or something right now? Probably 2 miles. SUV marketplace where everybody wants their space and their horsepower. Look at that, much room you got. You better be excited on that so you can put all your groceries. Maserati Levante SQ4.